I'm Beth, and I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis in 2012.
I'm Meredith, and I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis also in 2012. I was exhausted all the time. I had blood tests after blood tests done. Nothing showed up. I was in and out of the hospital, couldn't sleep. I couldn't walk, I couldn't pick up my son. Well, when you can't pick up your baby, it's hard.
My actual diagnosis was rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and fibromyalgia. I was diagnosed shortly after she was, and it was with my third pregnancy as well. And for me, it was a lot of fatigue, just muscle stiffness, and I just felt like I was dying. What about your pain?
It's in my lower back. Some days I can't even walk. I have to be bedridden. My knees and in my fingers. I get the nodules on my fingers, and every morning they're swollen up like little pickles or something.
The medications I'm on do help me some, but according to my Vectra DA score, they're not doing their job. We haven't found one yet that lowers the inflammation that is occurring in my body, and that's important because if they're not working, then I'm getting joint damage.
And my Vectra DA shows that it is working. I have a low score.
When I got that really high score, it kind of made me feel good in a way because I wasn't crazy. I wasn't just whiny. Like, there was a reason why I was feeling so bad. It also gave me determination, to take my medications every single day so that I could get a lower score. I'm determined to feel better and to get this disease under control. I want that lower number like my sister has.
Yeah. What's really neat is we can look up online. So as soon as they have results, we can print our stuff out and we can get our answers right away. So we kind of like look at the scores and what's yours, what's mine. And your relationship with your rheumatologist doctor is so incredible. I mean, he holds your life and what your quality of life is going to be for the rest of your life. So if you don't have a good relationship with him or you feel uncomfortable that he's not doing the right things, you need to get a new one. And you keep getting a new one until you find someone that you love.
My support system for dealing with my rheumatoid arthritis is mainly my sister. We depend on each other a whole lot.
If I'm extremely in pain, she takes Maddox for me, or she lets me cry with her, or I can always pick up the phone and say, I'm mad that I have this. I'm so upset. It's not something that I wanted for my life. And she knows because it's not fair for her either.
If we spend the day at the park with the kids, we know that when we get home, we're gonna have to take a nap or we won't be able to get to the laundry that day. So we just have to learn to accept what we can and can't do.
Because of the rheumatoid arthritis, playing with my son has changed dramatically. We used to wrestle and fight and play swords, and so we have to find different things now that he likes to do. A lot of the times he just has to lay down in bed with me and watch movies.
I'm gonna go over that today. You have to be an advocate for yourself, and social media is a huge part of that. Meredith and I started a blog because we wanted to reach out to other people who have rheumatoid arthritis that maybe are alone. See, we're lucky because we have each other. And not everybody has that luxury to have a sister with the same disease. Yeah.